changes.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the channel. It's May 2nd, 2021, Sunday afternoon, and I want to talk to you guys about the power of Instagram. I know I talk about it in my Facebook group all the time, but Instagram honestly is a way to market your store, market your inventory, find buyers, find people that want to sell inventory, find people who want to network with you. You can find people that want to click on your affiliate links, products that you are selling or products you're selling on behalf of other companies that you can get paid for. It's places to promote a YouTube channel if you decide to go the YouTube route. There's so many things that you can use Instagram for. It is absolutely imperative, I believe, in 2021 and even long since before, to use your Instagram account every day, even if just for a few minutes, for a post, for a story, and to network and grow that as quickly as possible. It's literally free to use, and there's no reason why you shouldn't be using it. So I'm gonna take you over to my Instagram on my iPad, and I'm gonna show you guys a quick little daily routine of things you can do and ways that you can use Instagram to grow your followers, grow a following, and then use it to promote whatever it is you wanna promote, whether it's your eBay store, your Poshmark closet, whether it's your YouTube channel, affiliate links, your own products and services, whatever you have that you wanna do and you wanna get in front of an audience, it's no better way. And then once you learn how to do it for free, you can always use Facebook and Instagram's paid advertisements to get in front of even more people when it becomes financially savvy and makes sense for you financially to pay for those ads. For example, you spend $100 on an ad for it to run for a month, and it reaches enough people that they all go and buy your products, and you make $500 in profit. So let's go over to my Instagram on my iPad, and I will show you guys a quick little daily routine, what to do on Instagram and how to promote, so you can hopefully start getting the idea of growing that channel. Okay, so welcome in to my Instagram channel. Obviously, you guys probably follow me. A lot of you do. It's just at Rockstarflipper, like all my other channels. And let me show you just a few of the tips and tricks that you can do to get started, either if you're already on Instagram or if you haven't started one yet. So the first thing, when you open up the Instagram profile, obviously the top left corner is your name. Mine is just Rockstarflipper, clearly. You have a profile picture, so pretty clear. It's me with my YouTube plaque. How many times I've posted on Instagram? 2,899. How many followers I have? 30,000 plus. And how many I'm following? 860 of you guys I follow. One important thing about followers and following is if you are active and you're following people, some amount of people, you don't have to sit and follow 30,000 people to get 30,000 followers. Clearly my ratio is pretty high here. 30,000 people follow me and I only follow less than 1,000. So 30 to 1 or more. Now you are certainly welcome to follow as many people as you want, but when you start following, every single person in the world, your timeline will be, your newsfeed will be filled with all these people, and you may have a problem finding some of the content that you want. And that's why I don't follow as many people as, some others do. Okay. Now, being a follower of mine, following me is important because a lot of people click on my profile and they click on who follows me and they scroll through and they check on who is part of my following list. And so if you're on there, they might find you and say, oh, look, like Jake resells, and they might find you and follow you simply from, appearing on my list. Here's a vintage seller. They might be like, oh, she's got cool stuff. Let me follow back. And so being a follower of mine is pretty important. Also following other people who have big engagements. Now, I'm not by any means one of the biggest Instagram users, which is why, you'll find a lot of other resellers with 50, 60, 70,000 followers, 2 times what I have. So I'm going to engage in Instagram more this year and hopefully build this account up much higher. But in the meantime, still appearing on a list of somebody with 30,000 followers by following them can definitely help your cause, no doubt about it. Okay, next you've got a profile, which you can obviously edit the profile. And that's where you change your profile picture. This is where you can, put your name, your username, your website. And in fact, I'd really like to put my username as a capital R. Probably be a good idea, right? Username isn't available. Oh, it wants me to change it. Nope, that's because I already own it. Okay. So anyways, this is where you change your profile picture, your username, your website, your biography, your public business information, etc. And so you can see, you could put Casey under there. I just put eBay and Amazon reseller. That's just what I wanted to do. And so website. When you click on your website, you could link them to your YouTube channel, to your eBay store, to your Poshmark, whatever it is you choose to do. I have done multiple links. Now, Instagram only allows one link, but you can use third-party apps. A lot of people use Linktree. I use one called Milkshake. The reason I don't use Linktree is it had a lot of glitches and errors. It would stop you from posting. It would get a lot of errors from Instagram. So I stopped using Linktree and I started using Milkshake. This is a free app. It's just called Milkshake. You can download it. And when you download it, it'll ask you to select a layout, and then you can link all of your individual tools. So like if somebody clicks here, they can click and go to my YouTube videos. It'll take them right to my YouTube channel. They can click my website, take them right to my website. They can click on my training products. It'll take them right to that page on my website there. They can go to, if they want to sign up for List Perfectly, they can click on List Perfectly. It's going to take them right there. And they could also click here to go to my Amazon affiliate page, which will take them to see all of my equipment that I use. And so it's all, right there for them to go visit. And that's why I like to use Milkshake. It gives us multiple website links. When they click on it, you can see all these different links. So real important that you do something like that. At the very least, have one of your websites or closets or stores linked in your profile. Pretty important there. Okay, next is highlights. And the highlights reels, you can add new. So when you're fresh, you'll have a new, is basically kind of the highlights of your Instagram page. So for example, I have a YouTube vid highlight. And when you choose to make a new highlight, it's going to ask you to choose out of your stories to put in there. And so basically what I did was I selected all of the links that I put in my stories for my YouTube videos. And so somebody can go through these highlights and see some of my most recent YouTube videos. And at any point they can swipe up. Now for me, it's going to show my insights because it's mine. But if you were on my page, you would swipe up and it would take you to this video and you could see whatever the video is. And so that's a quick way for people just to access my videos. Now they can obviously do it from my link like I showed you, but this kind of gives them a little highlight. This is my coaching. They can see this and they can swipe up. List Perfectly again. So I just highlight all of the things. My website, Mark II, who is our fantastic Not Your Dad's CPA tax accountant, professional, I'll call him. You could easily tag out to Mark. So that gives people that ability. If somebody wants to pick up a Rockstarflipper shirt, they could certainly click there and go to it. That's my merch page. And so all the different quick, easy things, you should definitely be creating highlights. So that'll give people easy access to what you want them to see. Now down here is obviously my feed. As I post things, you'll be able to see it. And so I like to mix my page up, business and personal. So you can see I've got some videos about the summer slowdown and eBay's glitches. I put up some pictures of our new house, just some pictures we took sitting outside of it while we were waiting. The dogs were in the car. Obviously pictures of the actual house that I am building right now. Still under construction a little bit, but it's getting there. Picture of dinner that I had one night. Again, more videos, personal pictures, my reseller warehouse tour, things of that nature, all kinds of, post. Again, the house way earlier in construction, having a drink on a Friday night, I think it was. Inside of my warehouse. So I kind of like to mix it up. A haul that we did, a bulk purchase that we did. Again, earlier pictures of construction at the house, sitting at the resort that we're staying in. Some friends that came to visit me. Big shout out to Jessica and John. So all kinds of a mix of personal and business, obviously inside of my warehouse again. Some affiliate products that I was posting. So all kinds of cool stuff that I post on here. So you guys can get an idea of how I mix it up. When you're posting, you want to do some hashtags. So this one I hashtagged some personal ones. This one up here I hashtagged eBay and eBay seller. I try not to overdo it. 4 or 5 in the main post is good. You're certainly welcome to comment on it and add some more later. I didn't on this one, but sometimes I do. Like if you were to click on some of my comments, you'll find that I'm the first one that comments on it. And you will find that I add additional hashtags. See, so right here, eBay, eBay seller, things like that. And so all good tips to do on your Instagram page. Now, the next thing you can do when you're going through is go through all the people that are following you and try to find anybody that you want to follow for good content. Click on them. You know, if they're already following you, you're probably in a good shape. Now, the next thing you can do is you can go to the search bar and you can actually search out things like eBay seller, and you can search for tags. And there's 1.9 million eBay seller posts, and you can click on that. And it's going to pop up and it's going to show you all of the popular posts for eBay seller. And so you can actually click on things like Ginger's post here from 4 days ago. She's showing, you know, some of the stuff that she's shipping out here and kind of behind her. It's a very good picture, so you can click on her profile. She actually has almost 20,000 followers, so very well done, Ginger. And you could actually, you know, go in and interact with her post. You can like stuff. You can comment on stuff. She gets very high interactions on this post. So Ginger Marvin's doing a fantastic job. Well done, Ginger, if you watch this video. And then, you know, you can scroll down here and you can see all of these different people that are doing, you know, eBay selling, and you can actually click on these profiles and you can interact with people. You can like stuff. You can, again, very good follower of mine, actually, Vesca's Vintage. And I'm sorry, I'm not following you. I actually will right now. And you can comment and like and do all these different things on these pages in order to get more interaction with them. So you want to interact with people that are actually in the genre that you're in. You know, here's another one. And you can click on it, 10,000 followers. The Cali Mogul Mom looks like. So this is just a quick way. And so eBay seller is just one tag. You could actually just go out and just do eBay if you really wanted to. There's 5 million posts. Now you're not going to get sellers as much as you're going to get, you know, other people who are maybe buying from eBay or love eBay or what have you. You know, you've got Vintage Miner here. And so we can go back, you could do eBay community, and then you could, of course, obviously switch and you could do Amazon. And you've got FBM, Amazon FBA experts. You could probably do Amazon seller, has 500,000 posts. And so you'll find people like that are doing Amazon selling. You can go back and you could do, you know, Etsy shops. So there's tons of ways to find people to interact with. And the more people you interact with, if you just spend 10 or 15 minutes a day going through these different, you know, platforms and different profiles and different tags, you can interact with some of these people, leaving comments and liking them and talking to them and networking with them. And eventually you will start to see a following build up. You'll start to see more followers come in, more people interacting on your page, all that sort of thing, and you will see growth in the channel. You can't just post stuff on a social media platform and expect people to just automatically find you. You have to interact. You have to be active. You have to be consistent. You have to network. You have to make stories. I've made a couple stories today. So there's one from last night. There's one from last night as well. Here's one from today, and I'll probably post one or two more. Generally, I try to put up one post a day, one regular post, and then I try to put up a couple of stories. You can also do like reels and live. You know, these are live videos that I've done. You can do you know, different things like that. So all sorts of options and abilities to use Instagram to build it up. If you need more help with social media, if you need more help with Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all that sort of thing, I have it available in my training packages, and you can absolutely pick that up by clicking on my profile link right there and then scrolling down to the training products. Click on it. There's a short video description, and then there's also clearly where you can order it right there. It's just $29, and it shows you everything: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, emails, YouTube, eBay, Amazon, Shopify, Poshmark, everything you need to know about selling and social media included in there. So hopefully this helps you build your Instagram. I appreciate you watching as always. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, like the video. And if you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, please do not hesitate to leave it down below or email me, rockstarflipper@gmail.com. Or you can send me a direct message on Instagram, and I do answer all of my own messages. Nobody does it for me. I handle all of them, and I actually read and respond to all of them. As you can see, I've responded to every single one. So thank you as always, and I'll talk to you guys in a little while. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, make sure you like the video, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Until next time, I'll see you guys then.